welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a get ready with me. It'll be from 7 a.m. up until now. I am here in San Francisco doing a meeting. Yeah, all things one size. I just want to sit down, relax. I did a natural tutorial. I did a semi-natural-ish medium look, and today I'm doing a full coverage glam. My top is from Amazon. You can check it linked down below. And my bottoms are from Pinup Girl Boutique. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I love you so much. All right, you guys, good morning. It is bright and early, I believe 7 a.m. so I can get my makeup done and make it to my meeting by 10. This, if you know, you know, Cremo is the GOAT for the shaving needs. I am up in the shower, titties and all. This is how I literally wake up, and I thought it'd be just interesting to show you guys how I get ready in the morning and shave. But I shaved my head the day before, and I just wanted a clean, fresh start. I normally can shave so fast. I've gotten comments on how can you shave when you know. I have been shaving for so many years. I can do this with my eyes closed. So this is pretty much how I get my shaving routine done, and me looking super Filipino, scrubbing my face like crazy. This is the cleanser that I'm using by CeraVe, facial foaming cleanser for normal to oily skin. I feel like it really cleans my skin and gets everything out, so love that for me. I also like to take the opportunity to relax and massage the muscles on the face while I have this slippery texture. And again, the Filipino scrubbing on the face and just relaxing. So for a big meeting like this, I just love to start my day by relaxing and feeling fresh and feeling clean. And this is me getting out of the shower. Alright guys, now it's time for makeup. I'm taking my moisturizer. I just put a random moisturizer. I believe it's Face Gym or Pond's if you care to know. But moisturizing really is going to allow my skin to take in all the glam that I am about to cake on this face today. And then throwing on the turban, just because this is just a part of my routine despite me having no hair and being bald. It's just a part of me feeling like PatrickStarrr. I'm sure we have like our favorite robe and our favorite temperature and our favorite music. Having the turban on while doing my makeup is essential for me. Now that the moisturizer is on, I'm going to go ahead and pop in Lumify eye drops into the eyes just to wake up the face. So since this is going to be a long, stressful day, I like to drink a lot of water. I like to stretch. I like to breathe, because sometimes if I slept incorrectly, then my body is just like all types of discombobulated. So I like to especially reset my shoulders and my neck, and it just really starts my day and allows for a beautiful, stress-free makeup application. And I've been doing this, you know, before my workouts and also after, and now since this is a huge day for me, before this meeting. Oop, cutting some nose hairs. Alright, first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Brow Kiki brow pencil and fill in the brows. When you see my brows come together, I like to bring my brows a little bit closer just to reshape the face. And the color I'm using is medium brown. Now for the eyebrows, I'm going to take full coverage foundation and clean up underneath the brows with my Makeup by Ariel brush. Take your time. I'm in deep concentration because I want to look snatched. This is giving 2016, but hey, this is full glam and I expect nothing less at an executive meeting with Sephora. and go onto the eyes. Getting a clean base by pressing in the foundation on the eyes is going to help for a beautiful even base, and setting that with the ultimate setting powder is a must. If you guys don't have this powder, you guys need it. You guys are missing out. This really blurs the skin, locks in the makeup for so many hours, and it is literally my love, pride, and joy from One Size. Next, I'm just taking a few warm colors from the Visionary palette by One Size. I decided to do a red statement lip, so I decided to just go for a very warm neutral eye. Now for the lid, I went for Walnut Strut. This color is very like unknown. It's just a beautiful bronze color that goes with any skin tone for any occasion. Now I'm deepening up the outside with a little bit of a deeper color. This is my favorite part, is cleaning up under the eyes to get that sharp look, and it provides a guideline for my eyeliner. Next, we have to secure the blur, and like in every video, I'm like out of it, so this is Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. This will literally grab the makeup onto your skin and also blur the pores. I love concentrating this around the nose and the cheeks, and taking my MAC Full Coverage Foundation all over the face. Butter Silk Concealer to conceal the under eyes. I am taking medium dark 2. I don't want anything too contrasting or too bright, so this is the perfect shade for me. And this formula is absolutely beautiful. Creamy, delicious gorgeousness from One Size. Next, a cream contour. I believe I am taking the Huda Tantour colors, and as you can see, the sun came in right around this time, and it's like my favorite part. Shaping and sculpting the face is literally so fun because you get to see the face take form. Now to finish all of the wet makeup products, I'm taking the Fat Ass Cheek Clapper Blush. This pink is so powerful and pretty. It's a beautiful rose pink that sits beautifully with all of the other products, and I love using this cream before I set everything. You know, when recording these videos and looking at my makeup process, I'm just really proud at how long and how far my makeup techniques have come, and that's because of the internet. That's because of social media. I've been inspired by so many makeup artists all over the world and celebrity makeup artists. I've developed my own personal style, and I hope you guys get to see the evolution of what my makeup once was and what it has become now. Can't forget to set the face with the ultimate setting powder and the Turn of the Base powder foundation. Award winning. I can't believe I won an award with One Size for this powder foundation. So good. Next, I'm just going to contour the face and bronze the face at the same time with the Made for Shade Bronzing Sculpting Trio by One Size in the medium dark palette. Now I'm taking the light palette because I use lighter colors on my nose and my under eyes. Just using that just on my nose. Because if I use the darker palette, it would be a little bit too crazy on my nose, a little bit too contrasted. Now I decided for a red lip and a beautiful wing, and just taking Point Made liquid liner, which is so freaking black and precise, and putting that on my wing.
Turn of the Base has an award this year. Cheek Clapper, the blush one.
Oh wow!
For Best Blush 2022.
2020 ain't even over. Dang! They said go ahead and give it to them. Woo! Woo! Y'all, you heard it here first. Cheek Clapper won an award. I'm so excited. I'm really, really proud of just the award-winning products. The lashes, you guys are probably asking about the lashes. These are the Raquel Beauty Aurora lashes. Now to tightline, I'm taking Point Made in Busty Brown. This brown is literally my favorite brown, and it's waterproof. And ever since they've used the one-size pencils, my eyes have not watered or budged. And it's such a beautiful, iconic formula that really melts under the eyes. Now at this point, I'm dusting everything off and my face is looking just snatched and flawless. Next for blush, I am taking the award-winning Cheek Clapper blush in Freaky Peach and this new pink that I'm testing out, and popping in some contacts and doing last-minute touches on the face. And you guys, that should be the finished look. Don't forget to set your makeup with the Until Dawn waterproof mattifying setting spray. And yeah, there you have my iconic PatrickStarrr look from turban to toe. Alright guys, this is the finished look. We are giving glamour. Let me pose. Glamour, realness, I need more eye drops, but classic PatrickStarrr look. Red lip, red carpet, looking as turban, up to the sky, some body makeup, and of course, a full face for all of you. If you guys want to see more get ready with me like this, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below. Don't forget makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!